Radeon HD 2000 series. Released in 2007, the Radeon HD 2000 series marked AMD's first generation of graphics cards after acquiring ATI technologies. It introduced support for DirectX 10, allowing newer visual effects in games released during that time. The series also included improved video playback features, making it a better choice for watching high-definition movies compared to many older graphics cards. However, while the technology looked promising on paper, real-world gaming performance often failed to meet expectations. Power consumption was relatively high, and many models produced more heat than competing products. Driver support also needed time to mature, which affected stability and performance in certain games. Even with those drawbacks, the Radeon HD 2000 series represented an important step forward for AMD. It laid the foundation for future generations by introducing new graphics technologies that would later become more refined and much more successful. Radeon HD 3000 series. Introduced in 2008, the Radeon HD 3000 series was designed as an improvement over the previous generation rather than a complete redesign. It continued supporting DirectX 10 while bringing better efficiency and more reliable performance. Video playback features became stronger, making these cards attractive for home theater PCs and everyday multimedia use. AMD also managed to reduce manufacturing costs, allowing many models to be sold at affordable prices. On the downside, gaming performance still struggled against some competing graphics cards in higher-end titles. While entry-level and mid-range models performed well for casual gaming, demanding games often required lower graphics settings for smooth gameplay. The series also offered only modest improvements over the HD 2000 lineup, leaving some users wanting a larger performance jump. Even so, the Radeon HD 3000 series helped AMD strengthen its position by offering solid value for budget-conscious buyers. Radeon HD 4000 series. Released later in 2008, the Radeon HD 4000 series became one of AMD's most successful graphics card generations. It introduced significant performance improvements while keeping prices competitive, making powerful gaming hardware more accessible to many users. Support for DirectX 10.1 allowed developers to use additional graphical features, and several models delivered impressive frame rates for their time. The cards also improved power efficiency compared to earlier generations, helping reduce heat output during long gaming sessions. Despite these advantages, the higher-end models could still consume considerable power under heavy workloads. Driver updates were necessary to unlock the best performance in newer games, especially shortly after launch. Some budget versions also lacked the power needed for the most demanding titles. Even with those limitations, the Radeon HD 4000 series earned a strong reputation for delivering excellent performance at reasonable prices. Radeon HD 5000 series. Launched in 2009, the Radeon HD 5000 series introduced DirectX 11 support, becoming the first graphics card family to offer this new standard. This gave gamers access to improved lighting, tessellation, and more detailed visual effects in supported games. AMD also introduced Infinity technology, allowing multiple monitors to run from a single graphics card, which was a major attraction for both gamers and professionals. Performance increased noticeably across the lineup, while power efficiency also improved thanks to a more advanced manufacturing process. Still, some early DirectX 11 games showed only limited benefits because developers were just beginning to adopt the new technology. The highest-end models also carried premium prices that were not affordable for every buyer. Nevertheless, the Radeon HD 5000 series became one of AMD's landmark generations and helped establish the company as a strong competitor in the graphics market. Radeon HD 6000 series. Introduced in 2010, the Radeon HD 6000 series focused on refining the success of its predecessor instead of making dramatic changes. Gaming performance improved steadily across many models, and image quality enhancements provided smoother graphics in supported titles. AMD also strengthened multimedia capabilities, making these cards suitable for gaming, entertainment, and general computing. Many users appreciated the balance between performance, efficiency, and pricing across the product range. However, because the architectural changes were relatively small, some enthusiasts expected a larger leap in speed compared to the HD 5000 series. Competition from newer products also made certain models less attractive in the high-end market. Even so, the Radeon HD 6000 series remained popular because it delivered dependable performance and continued building on technologies that gamers had already come to trust. Radeon HD 7000 series. Released in 2012, the Radeon HD 7000 series marked another major step forward by becoming the first AMD graphics card family built on a 28nm manufacturing process. This allowed better performance while improving power efficiency at the same time. The series introduced the graphics core Next architecture, which significantly improved gaming performance as well as computing tasks beyond gaming. Support for newer graphics technologies and better driver optimization helped these cards remain useful for many years. On the downside, the most powerful models were expensive at launch, placing them beyond the reach of many budget buyers. Some early drivers also required updates before users could experience the full potential of the new architecture. Despite these early challenges, the Radeon HD 7000 series became one of AMD's most influential GPU generations and established the foundation for many Radeon graphics cards that followed.